Welcome to CellSite Solutions. Today we'll walk through various remanufactured shelters and show you why more co-ops, ISPs, and mobile carriers trust our Midwest factory for turnkey shelters, delivered in as little as 60 to 90 days. Every shelter remanufacture begins with a full gut. We strip the building to bare concrete, test for moisture, and repair any stress cracks with a double moisture barrier on the inside and 4-layer protection outside. This is a typical electric co-op remanufactured shelter. Notice the brand new non-conductive flooring rated for 15 years, FRP wall panels, LED lighting, and upgraded electrical system. Outside, a factory-applied polyvinyl membrane roof carries a 10-year warranty, and fresh exterior paint restores curb appeal while variable-speed dual HVACs keep gear cool. The next shelter shows basic ISP integration. We've pre-run ladder rack, fiber patch panels, and controlled wall penetrations for clean cable entry. Customers can drop in 2 or 4-post racks and be live within hours. Finally, our showcase build. You'll see a DC power plant with fuse distribution, ATS tied to external generator quick connects, battery bay, fire suppression nozzle, environmental sensors, and clear cover fuse panels, and every cable labeled end-to-end. It's the closest thing to a miniature central office you can set in place, tie down, and energize the same day. From full gut to mission ready, CellSite Solutions delivers shelters that look new, yet cost a fraction of new build. Ready to transform your next site? Our project team is standing by.